So Noviculum is our fifth solution in our product portfolio. Up until now, Phinity has always been releasing solutions that are geared towards managing the operational risk management, like third-party risk management or application risk management. Resilience was kind of the first evolution that we were bringing into the fore around enterprise risk management, which dealt with treatment. Noviculum is now taking it up a notch. We're now helping organizations to manage the enterprise risk register. And with that, the way in which we have built out the Phinity platform, we actually help organizations integrate the management of that risk registry through integrated risk management. And what that means is that Noviculum will actually form part of their process. That process is the identification of those risk items, as well as being able to run online workshops to actually identify, track, and assess these strategic, operational and tactical risks all the way through to treatment. And you can imagine in this COVID type environment where risks are changing, not even on a daily basis, almost on an hourly basis, you need to be able to pull together a team, run those kind of workshops very quickly. And Noviculum basically provides the framework and the mechanisms for every organization to be able to adopt a streamlined risk registry approach and methodology. So what that ultimately allows an organization to do is, from board level through to directors, is that the correct resources are being applied to addressing the right risks in order for an organization to meet and achieve their objectives.